Best fabric seat stain removers effectively remove tough stains, restore upholstery appearance, extend seat lifespan, and help maintain a clean, fresh vehicle interior. My today's video is about top 5 best fabric seat stain removers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The all-in-one car interior cleaner is an impressive solution for anyone looking to maintain a spotless and well-protected vehicle interior. Its versatile formula works effectively on leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, glass, dashboards, door panels, seats, and even sensitive infotainment screens, making it a true all-purpose cleaner. It easily removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, and body oils without causing fading, discoloration, or surface damage. One of its standout features is the protective layer it leaves behind, helping reduce future dust buildup and keeping surfaces looking cleaner for longer. The spray and wipe application is incredibly convenient, requiring no rinsing or additional buffing, which saves valuable detailing time. Unlike many interior products that leave greasy residues, this cleaner delivers a natural, factory-fresh appearance with a streak-free finish beyond automotive use. It performs exceptionally well on desks, chairs, countertops, and other household surfaces. For drivers and detailing enthusiasts seeking professional-level results with minimal effort, this cleaner offers outstanding value and versatility. Now our second product is Car Guy's Super Cleaner. Super Cleaner stands out as a highly effective all-purpose cleaning solution for vehicle interiors and beyond. Its concentrated formula tackles stubborn dirt, grease, oil, and set-in stains that many ordinary cleaners struggle to remove. Even heavily used surfaces respond well with minimal scrubbing, making deep cleaning faster and easier. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. It safely cleans leather, carpet, upholstery, fabric, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and metal, eliminating the need for multiple specialized products. Whether dealing with food spills on seats, grime on dashboards, or grease on steering wheels, this cleaner handles a wide range of cleaning tasks with impressive results. The no-residue formula leaves surfaces looking fresh and natural without the sticky or greasy feel common with many interior cleaners. Application is simple: spray, wipe, and you're done with no rinsing required. The included professional microfiber towel adds extra value, while the generous 18-ounce bottle lasts through numerous cleaning sessions, making it a cost-effective choice for regular vehicle maintenance. Our third product is Armor All Multi-Purpose Car Cleaner Spray. This deep enzyme formula cleaner is an excellent choice for pet owners who need a reliable solution for stains and odors. Unlike ordinary cleaners that only treat surface-level messes, its enzyme-powered formula breaks down urine, vomit, wet paw marks, and other organic stains at the source, helping restore carpets, upholstery, and fabric surfaces to a cleaner condition. One of its strongest features is effective odor elimination. Instead of masking unpleasant smells with heavy fragrances, it neutralizes pet odors completely, leaving spaces smelling naturally fresh. The ready-to-use spray design makes application simple and convenient. Just spray, lightly agitate, and blot away the residue for quick results. Its versatility is another major advantage. Safe for car interiors, rugs, couches, pet carriers, dog beds, trunks, and fabric seats, it works equally well in vehicles and around the home. Developed with professional-grade detailing standards, this cleaner delivers powerful stain-fighting performance while remaining gentle enough for regular use, making it a valuable addition to any pet-friendly cleaning routine. Now number 4, Chemical Guy's Forbidden Pet Stain Remover. This deep enzyme formula, PCS 10016SW, is a highly effective solution for pet-related messes, especially for owners dealing with frequent accidents on carpets, car seats, and upholstery. Its enzyme-based technology works deep within the fibers, breaking down organic stains like urine, vomit, and wet paw prints at the source rather than just covering them up. This ensures a more thorough and long-lasting clean. That a major advantage is its powerful odor neutralizing ability. Instead of masking smells with strong fragrances, it eliminates pet odors completely, leaving behind a naturally fresh and clean environment without any harsh chemical afterscent. This makes it ideal for maintaining a healthier indoor or vehicle space. The formula is also versatile and safe across multiple surfaces, including fabric seats, rugs, carpets, and upholstery, making it suitable for both home and automotive use. With its ready-to-use spray design, there is no need for dilution. Just spray, gently agitate, and blot for quick and visible results, making cleaning fast and convenient. And our last choice is Carfit & Car Interior Cleaner Stain Remover. This interior cleaner delivers strong, visible stain removal performance, targeting real-world messes like coffee spills, grease, ink, pet accidents, and everyday dirt. Instead of only cleaning surface dust, it penetrates deeper into stains, helping restore a noticeably fresher, near-like-new interior appearance. The key strength is its bioenzymatic odor elimination. Rather than masking smells with artificial fragrances, it breaks down odor-causing residues at the source, making it especially useful for pet owners dealing with urine, vomit, or persistent wet dog odors. The result is a longer-lasting freshness without harsh chemical scents. Its pH balance formula is safe across multiple interior surfaces, including leather, fabric, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and trim, reducing the need for multiple specialized cleaners. It cleans effectively without causing discoloration, cracking, or damage, even on delicate or light color materials. Unlike many products, it leaves no greasy residue or artificial shine, maintaining a natural factory-fresh finish. With a simple spray and wipe process and microfiber towel support, it offers quick maintenance and deeper cleaning with minimal effort. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.